I'm here inside the closet of the master bedroom to show you one of the real technological marvels of the greenhouse. Remember the boiler that was in your grandmother's basement, that big white thing that was all rusting out and you touched it and you burned your hand? No more. Right behind the screen is something pretty remarkable. It's called Tankless technology from Norritz, and it's really simple. It doesn't store water, but it heats water. In fact, it provides hot water on demand. Water simply flows through it, and when you need it, you get hot water. It's really quite beautiful, quite small, requires almost no venting whatsoever, and heats the water for this entire house right inside a closet. Something that you can absolutely show people with pride or pull the door back and hide out of the way. Really an incredible innovation from the people at Norritz.